Hey guys! Welcome back to another video. It's your girl Fanika and this is Fanika TV. Remember to subscribe to the channel, hit those post notification bells so that you get notified as I post a video. Yeah guys, today may I cook some brown stew. I don't know. I don't even know what to call it, but you know we see what me I make. Me I make some sliced fish. I cook some sliced fish today. Also with I have some quinoa leaves, so I will just cook that with it instead of rice. Or I might cook carrot rice and leave the quinoa for another day. So yeah guys, don't always see which one to choose. I'm not 100% sure. Also, guys, remember you can follow me on other platforms. Yes, guys, you can find me at Fanika TV on other platforms such as Instagram, TikTok. Yes, you can find me there as well. But on Facebook, my Facebook is called Erica Shackelford. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for this beautiful video, and remember guys to also like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment down below guys and be positive because I'm getting a lot of negative energy. Come on, I'm getting a lot of negative energy, mostly from women in my comment section on one of my videos. I'm not gonna really give you guys any highlight because I know that's why most of you even comment, is because you want to give, you want it to be, you want to be highlighted, you want it to be seen. Yeah, I'm not gonna give you that time, but anyway, be positive guys, and remember, right, remember, I dress just like every other woman. It's just that I may have more than others. So stay tuned, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's go. We're gonna cook some sliced fish. Cooking with Erica. Yay! Yeah, guys. We're gonna get the fish seasoned up and so forth, guys. Nice and seasoned up. I already skilled them and everything. Just get them. Should I put piece more? Yes, man, if you will let them I can't hold on, yes. Guys, look at them all. And soak up your water and fry. And that's what them in some vinegar water. That's what. If you check if you make a work, I have a tendency to just cheap out. Yeah, guys. Piece more of this. Piece some more. Yeah, guys. We are pot dry them. Even though should I put two pieces of this, make it a little thicker. And then we're gonna get them seasoned up. So I'm showing them. You see, guys, you see? Sliced fish. We're gonna get them seasoned up, looking beautiful and nice. I just powder season. Me I go put on them first. So me I go put the powder season on the fish them first, and then we now go see the process. Cause me want make one name for that type of fish where me I cook. Want make one name for it, but let me not know because me I go cook it down in a sorrel beer, Jamaican sorrel beer sauce. So me I go make after me fry them, me I go make the sauce different. That's why I'm saying I don't know what name to give it. So maybe you guys can comment down below and give the fish a name, because I'm gonna be, it's like sweet and sour. It's like a mixture of that, but like just less. So yeah guys, yeah, just comment below and think and tell me what I can name it, so maybe I could put it in the comment section, like the best name for the fish, for this type of fish that I'm cooking. I'm gonna just put it in the comment section. So yeah, I'm not in the comment section, like in the title, like change the title and put it and say, oh yeah, somebody did say this type of fish, yeah? Yeah. So stay tuned, guys. I hope you guys are watching, and please remember to comment down below. Comment and tell me what you think I should name this fish dish. Yeah, guys. Okay, guys, two different. I'll put them. I make them marinate up. Well seasoned, guys. I have to well season your fish. Well season your fish, guys. So, two different season I put on heat side. There, guys. Well seasoned up. Get them cooked and nice for you. Do me nice. That's it? Hmm? Stop. Stop it. Nah, shiny no, but there's hot. So I go try turn the fish them. I go try give them a turn. Yeah, guys. Nobody watch the ear. I don't know, but No, just not feel to do nothing to it right now. That's just me. Yeah. Ooh, it can turn. They can turn, guys. They can turn. Yay! Cause sometimes you have to if you not time them good, them kind of stick. But yeah, guys, them can turn. So I'm gonna turn them and show you guys. So stay tuned. Let's go. Remember, guys, if you reach this far in the video, like, share, and subscribe, guys. Good, beautiful content showcasing Jamaica. Beautiful woman, beautiful food, outside cooking. What more do you want? Yeah. So subscribe that you don't miss nothing. Want them to fry really dry. I will make the sauce different, guys. I'll get the sauce different. So juicy. Pretty fish. Oh my god. Guys, it might turn out so beautiful. Ah! I love fish. Yeah, yeah, guys. So that's what we are doing today. Yeah. Let's cook some dinner for my. Yeah, guys. Okay, but the fish not take no time to fry. And guys, let me just show you how crispy. That's how dry I want it, guys. That's what I go make it in the real dry. So that one is that one already. Okay. Fry up on the side a little longer. Who loves fish? I love fish. Make that piece of there. I let that piece of the munch on. Then I make them get a little more frying because they're not as dry as these ones. So I'm just gonna give them like couple, at least like 5 minutes more and support. So yeah, we're gonna give it 5 minutes more to fry, and then we're gonna get everything ready for the sauce where the fish them I go cook down in. As I say, guys, morning for fry, right? And remember, you know, want to know, comment down below and tell me what you think the fish name. Guys, my table is a mess. It's a mess. It's a mess. I'm not doing so much onion. Scared I'm not busy. Okay. Guys, me I wash them off. Wash them off. Get them ready for cut up. To make sauce. Scrape off the whole of strength off a carrot. Hey. Here guys, me I go put it on the rice. I already have mixed vegetables that I go use. We have carrot in them, so I think we need no carrot. Just I go get everything cut up to make the sauce. Just a cut up piece of that's it in them time. Not really want enough. A little piece. I all have to cut up too. Mosquito is crazy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I cut up the onion, guys. Yeah, water. I use one time. That's why I not like cut up the onion, you know. I wet up the onion. So, come off. Sure. See if we can make it fast, quick and fast. Fire, wait, pan with guys. Me the day I forgot to fish me I cook. Say fish not take as long as the something the fine. You know, say cut a piece of tomato car. Fish love tomato. Fish and tomato are best of friends. Yeah, me I put little lettuce on the side of the dish too. How could I eat fish and bread too, you know? Could I just eat fish and bread? But somebody and me and I to want that. So yeah guys, we're gonna start out. Hey guys, then yeah, get sauteed. We're doing some mixed vegetables. It's corns, spring bean, green bean, and then frozen. So I'll go to cool down the pot. So I'm going. Okay, just do everything. Let's see about that. Hey guys. So when them are done saute, tomato them. I like how them a look. I like how my tomato them look. And cut up too big. That's it in there. One sharp. They cool guys. I go keep them in there. They don't look good. Hey guys, so the man saute, we will cover it up. So that's guys, some sorrel, Jamaican sorrel beer, red stripe, sorrel beer. Never know. Pull. I don't know if you use it. Hey guys, so I never want to cover for drop off. Hey guys, so that I go get like a sweet, savory taste. It's true, right? Hey guys, we're gonna put some ketchup. Ketchup. I'll throw some water down in the ketchup clear. I'm gonna do the water. Yes. Hey guys, mix it around. So showing it guys. When it start boil up now, let me go get some water. Now the bar. Hey guys, right. We'll make this boil up. Just stir it a little bit. Smell. It's a piece already in there. Guys. Yeah. So drizzle the gravy on the top of the meat, guys. Gravy boil out low. Want to tell me what you think if you need buy fish done, you know. Delicious. So ready for the ready for we yeah, me I go make some carrot rice. I think we gonna go see that right about now. Guys, this is how the fish is looking. So yeah guys, fry the chicken and then I cook it down in the gravy. So that is it. Tell me how it's looking. Yeah, let's go. Beautiful fish.